Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Montclair, New Jersey, and we have just completed a corner shower with a center-mounted door hinged off another stationary panel. Now, we wanted to get as far as we could away from that interior door. We have siblings here in the house that share this bathroom, so as you know how siblings are, they just barge in on each other every time they're taking a shower. Okay, so we offset the door. We couldn't offset the door much more because of that little seat area. The one thing I did not want is if this door opened in, it was to hit that seat. And I would not rely on the vinyl to do that job, especially for kids. So instead, we center mounted the door here and symmetrically the same, so that at least we can get the aesthetics that we want. And this is actually really cool. I've never seen a bench inside a shower like this before. It's pretty neat. And it's open on the inside. Alright. And there's our corner here. And we use heavy duty clamps and these L brackets. They help and they are a substitute from using headers. They work really nicely. And all within reason, of course. So all the hardware here is in polished chrome finish, and it is exceptionally done. So if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassstores.com.